This Bodkar 8-inch flat griddle pan is quite handy for small cooking tasks. It is lightweight, and this makes it easy to move around. And it can even play a role in your camping trips. The wooden handle is detachable, so storage becomes simpler, and it won't take up much space in your bag. For consumers who value portability, this pan seems like a good option. And cleanup is also said to be easy. The Bodkar 8-inch flat griddle heats up quickly because of its aluminum base. This can be an improvement for those who don't want to wait long to start cooking their eggs or bacon. It's also designed to work on different kinds of stovetops, which adds to its versatility. However, it's important to note that this pan is not oven safe. While it might not be a heavy-duty grill pan, it serves well for lighter cooking needs, both indoors and when you explore the outdoors. Overall, the Bodkar 8-inch flat griddle offers a simple and lightweight cooking solution. It rates well for portability and ease of use, especially for camping. If you need a small pan for tasks like frying eggs or cooking bacon, and easy cleanup is a plus, this could be a suitable choice. Just remember it's more for basic cooking rather than heavy grilling, and it won't change the climate of your kitchen. Pros: lightweight, portable, easy to store, detachable handle, for camping, for outdoor cooking. For indoor cooking, quick heating, even heating, non-stick, easy to clean, versatile cooktops. Cons: handle may come loose, handle feels off-center, build quality not great, threads strip easily. Not for heavy-duty use, handle can break, not oven safe, hand wash only, thin. Might warp, small 8-inch size features. 8-inch size, flat griddle pan, lightweight design, grill pan style, wooden handle, for camping use, indoor cooking okay, outdoor cooking okay, easy to store, non-stick surface. This Bodkar 8-inch flat griddle pan is light, making it easy to carry. It has a flat surface like a griddle but can also be used like a grill pan. The handle is made of wood. You can use this pan for camping, or cooking inside or outside your home. It's easy to put away and has a non-stick surface so food doesn't stick. This pan is simple to use. The Bodkar 8-inch frying pan is a lightweight and portable non-stick skillet with a detachable wooden handle, making it easy to store and carry for camping, outdoor, or indoor cooking. It heats quickly and evenly and is easy to clean. However, some users have reported that the handle can come loose, feel off-center, and may not be very durable, with threads that can strip easily. It's not for heavy-duty cooking, not oven safe, and should be hand-washed, and its thin material might warp. Overall, it's a small pan best suited for light cooking tasks.